Good afternoon, good evening. Dave here. Hope everybody on YouTube is doing well. I'm a little bit under the weather. Got a little bit of a sore throat. I'm starting to lose my voice just a bit. I'll be right back after this introduction. Well, I'm inside the truck right now. Might have been one of the problems is that I've been eating a lot of this crushed ice. But tonight I'm gonna control myself on the crushed ice. Because in reality, I don't have a very good sore throat right now. I don't have a very good throat to be messing with it. I'm gonna get a little bit of Halls, the lemon and honey flavor, and gobbled it down. I don't really want to go outside right now. It's extremely hot outside. It's at 107 degrees right now in the area here in Lago Vista. Actually, there's no news to report. Watermelon is pretty much off season already. I had confirmed it with the people up above. They're not gonna bother with that little small patch. They're gonna let it go for this year now. We've had a severe case of that coronavirus going on here in town. I know I don't have it. I just have a little common cold. And I can tell you because if I stay quiet and then suddenly I want to talk, I can't talk because just very, very little voice comes out. I know I'm losing my voice right now, and maybe I should just relax and not make any YouTube videos at the moment. But I think I'm okay as long as I keep it to a minimum. But nothing to report here at the ranch. The cotton is growing pretty well. And as I said, the watermelon is pretty much over. Pretty windy. The wind helps. At least it isn't calm over here. It is quite windy, but it's hot air. And like, for example, right now we got the truck on. I got the truck on with the air conditioner inside. Eventually I'm going to end up turning it off. Even though it's a piece of machinery, I think it still has feelings, and it knows that it's going to overheat if I keep it on continually. It's not a diesel truck, it's a gasoline truck. Hopefully by the end of this video, I should probably just go ahead and turn it off and let it rest. And maybe turn it on later on tonight when the sun goes down. And here I am. My mom had said, I've noticed all your YouTube videos, you keep touching your face a lot. Something that the Centers of Disease Control has said, don't be touching your face. It's just, I'm so used to it. But see, now I put some of this hand sanitizer, clean my hands well, and pretty much rub my face again. And and I should be okay. It's made by Swab. It's a hand sanitizer. It looks more like an alcohol base. It's not creamy like the other hand sanitizers. For example, like this one here. This hand sanitizer is more of a creamy, molasses type, very thick. But this is more like an alcohol base. It looks like water, but it's just alcohol. It is pretty strong. I can spray my hand, smell it. It's alcohol. You can smell the whiff of it. You'll probably even get drunk. It clears up your nostrils. But anyways, I want to thank everybody that listens and watches my videos, and with great patience and great determination, I've been able to get all the way up to 105 subscribers. I'm hoping I can get up to 1,000 and make it more after that. But I'll keep trying. Anyways, I want to take a good shout out to my brothers and sisters, my family. My mom, she's kind of under the weather also right now. Let's pray that she gets well with a speedy recovery. A big shout out to Evelyn Barrows, my correspondent in the Philippines, and I'm sure she's doing well. And all of my friends that I have. And for now, I'm going to shut down this video and turn off the truck for a little bit, let it rest. And I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Y'all take care of yourself. Stay away from that virus. Maintain a social distance from each other. Abide by the state, federal, or local regulations that the Centers of Disease Control has imposed on your country. And let's get through this together. Goodbye for now, and God bless.